Do you want to sell your home fast and for the highest price possible? Staging might just be your ultimate secret weapon. Today, I'm going to share 5 powerful staging secrets that can help you sell your home faster and for more money. And that's what everyone wants. And stick around because I've got a bonus 6th step that can make all the difference when selling your home. So let's dive in. First, let's talk about the power of perception. Staging is all about creating an irresistible first impression. Did you know that staged homes sell 73% faster than unstaged ones? That's because staging allows potential buyers to see your home at its very best. Have you ever toured brand new construction? They always have model homes that are always very nicely staged. But here's the thing, staging doesn't always mean renting furniture or spending a fortune. It's about presenting your home in the best light. And sometimes that starts with the basics, like deep cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. Selling your home quickly and for top dollar starts with a very simple formula. Stage it, snap it, and sell it. Number 1, which is to stage it. First impressions are everything. Transform your home into a buyer's dream by decluttering, neutralizing colors, and creating inviting spaces. Staging isn't just about decorating, it's about showcasing your home's potential and helping buyers envision their future there. Then what I like to call snap it, meaning your first showing isn't at an open house, it's online. All of the buyers are starting their search online, so stunning, high-quality photos and videos are essential to catching a buyer's eye and getting them to schedule a visit or come to the open house. Professional photography highlights the staging and brings your home's best features to life online. If your marketing sucks, then no one will come to the party. And finally, sell it. When you combine expert staging with top-notch visuals, you attract more buyers, create competition, and maximize your sale price. It's all about presenting your home in the best possible light to make the sale faster and more profitable. Remember, if you have tons of interest and hopefully multiple offers, then people are negotiating against each other and not negotiating against you. Now let's get into the details with these 5 secrets. Secret number 1. Declutter ruthlessly. This might not sound groundbreaking, but trust me, decluttering is one of the most critical steps in staging your home. Buyers need to see the potential of the space, not your belongings. That means clearing off the countertops, removing oversized furniture, and packing away personal items like family photos. Now here's a quick story. I once worked with a seller who had tried to sell their home for 6 months with another agent, without success. The listing photos sucked. They featured cluttered rooms and mismatched furniture. So when we came in, we completely decluttered it, rearranged the space, and shot real professional photos and videos. Within a week, the home sold for well over asking price. That's the power of packing up and getting all that extra stuff out. Secret number 2, neutralize your color palette. Bold or personal color choices might be meaningful to you, but they can be a deal breaker for buyers. When buyers see a bright red accent wall or that neon green kitchen, they're already calculating, how much it's going to cost to repaint. Instead, use neutral tones like soft grays, warm beiges, or classic whites. These colors create a blank canvas, allowing buyers to imagine their furniture and decor in the space. And let's not forget the transforming power of paint. It's one of the most cost-effective ways to update your home and make it look fresh and modern. Secret number 3, focus on key rooms. Not every room in your home needs to be staged if it's out of the budget. Focus on the spaces that have the biggest impact on buyers. The living room, the kitchen, and the master bedroom. These are the main rooms where buyers spend the most time imagining their life in the home. If your staging budget is limited, prioritize these areas. And here's a tip for smaller spaces like extra bedrooms or closets. Keep them minimal and functional. You don't need to stage every corner, but you do need to make sure the home feels cohesive and well thought out. Secret 4, create a focal point in each room. Every room needs a focal point. It's what draws the buyer's eye and creates a sense of purpose in the space. For example, in the living room, it might be a fireplace with a simple mantle. In the dining room, it could be a beautifully set table. And in the master bedroom, a statement bedspread or an elegant rug can create a very luxurious feel. Creating a focal point helps buyers connect emotionally with the space and that connection is what drives offers. Secret number 5, small details make a big difference. When it comes to staging, it's the small details that take your home from just nice to wow. Fresh flowers, neatly folded towels, and sparkling clean windows make a world of difference. These touches show buyers that the home has been well cared for and is ready for them to move in. And here's your bonus tip. First showings happen online. Remember, I can't say it enough. Your first showing isn't at the open house, it's online. Buyers decide whether to visit your home based on the photos and videos they see. That's why professional photography is an absolute must. Great photos showcase your home's best features, highlight the staging, and get buyers in the door. Staging isn't just about making your home look pretty. It's a strategy for selling faster and for more money. If you're thinking about selling, I've got a free PDF packed with tips.
Hey guys, for more content similar to this, smash that like and subscribe button and we'll see you next time.